He stuck into her home by changing his hair and hoped to make it. The children were nestled, smoking their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief and I, my cat, had just settled down for a long winter's nap. When Antoine alone, the wolves that took flutter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter.
I waved to the window that flicked like a flash, threw open the shutters and opened the sash.
The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave a lustre of magic to objects to look. Well, what's my wondering I should appear, but amidst of such a cunning with a little driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be St. Nick.
The laughing people who caused they came, shouting and whistled and called them.
Now dancer, now prancer and vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen, to the top of the board, to the top of the wall. Now dash away, dash away, dash away all.
As Georgie stepped before the wild hurricanes fly, they meet with an obstacle out to the sky.
So up to the house of the coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys and St. Nicholas too. And then the twinkling I heard on the roof, the prancing and falling of each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down St. Nicholas came with a bound.
He was dressed all in fur from his head to his foot, and his clothes all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he flung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack.
His eyes had a twinkle, his dimples had there, his cheeks were like roses and his nose was like
His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard of his chin was as white as the snow.
the stuff of a pipe held tight in his teeth. The smoke edge encircled his head like a root.
He had a broad face and a little round belly.
The shoes full of blood.
He was chubby and plump, and right jelly was elf, and he laughed and I saw him in spite of myself.
A wink of his eye and a twist of his head, you give me to know I have a big work.
He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work,
And filled all the stockings and turned with a jerk. And laying his finger aside of his nook, and giving a nod up the chimney, he went. He ran to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle. Away he rolled and looking down on the thistle. But I heard him exclaim, he drove on a side. Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
What? No, there's a band. Oh my God, everybody! Oh my God, it's Santa! Yes! Ho, ho, ho! Oh my God, look at this! What? Santa Claus has come to visit the school. Oh, you're so lucky. Decisions.